Like many of you, I was completely sold on the vision of the Cannondale Topstone carbon, the promise of the proprietary Kingpin suspension that's smooth. Lightweight flex at the seat stays was what sealed the deal. I envisioned endless miles of comfortable gravel grinding, a bike that could truly handle everything. For a while, it delivered. The ride was sublime, a perfect balance of speed and compliance. But then a subtle change started. A creak, a tiny bit of play that shouldn't have been there. What I found when I inspected the frame was more than just a minor annoyance. It revealed a critical structural defect that renders the bike unusable and, frankly, dangerous. The Kingpin catastrophe. Structural bonding failure. The fault lies right at the heart of the suspension system, specifically where the seat tube meets the seat stays. This area is anchored by the Kingpin suspension pivot. The component responsible for encasing and supporting this pivot is an alloy tube housing that must be permanently and securely bonded into the carbon frame. This alloy insert is the bedrock of the Kingpin system's integrity. However, on my Topstone 2 carbon, the worst has happened. The component is unbonded. The alloy tube housing has become unbonded and detached from the surrounding carbon structure. Visible movement. This failure has created a noticeable visible gap between the alloy insert and the carbon, allowing for unwanted movement. Total compromise. This is not a cosmetic flaw. This structural issue directly compromises the frame's integrity and the function of the Kingpin system, turning a key performance feature into a massive safety risk. This failure, a structural bonding failure, is unacceptable for a high-end carbon frame. It is a critical manufacturing defect that calls into question the long-term durability of the entire design.